Hi students, in this lecture we are going to cover classification of finite automata. In last lecture we have seen that why we need a finite representation. So finite automata is broadly divided into two types. One type says that finite automata with output, मतलब इसमें ऐसे finite automata हो गए जिसको हम इनपुट देंगे तो वो सम आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. Second type of automata is finite automata without output, मतलब इसमें अगर हम इनपुट देंगे it will not produce any output. Okay, just it is a decidable problem, means we can say that whether the particular string is accepted by this finite automata or not. Finite automata with output is divided again into two types, that is one is Mealy machine and other is Murray machine. Mealy machine और Murray machine क्या होती है वो हम डिटेल में आगे डिस्कस करेंगे वन बाय वन. Along with that, finite automata without output is again divided into three types. One is DFA, another is NFA, and third is epsilon NFA. DFA stands for deterministic finite automata, NFA stands for non-deterministic finite automata, and epsilon NFA stands for epsilon non-deterministic finite automata or non-deterministic finite automata with epsilon rules. Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to start one of the finite automata, that is finite automata without output